Wishing the UAE a very happy Flag Day. May this nation preserve its safety, prosperity and welfare. I can't help but affirm the importance of marking such an occasion which coincides with the anniversary of the accession of His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan to presidency. Today is the country's opportunity to renew its loyalty to the UAE's prudent leadership, which has been placing tremendous efforts in fighting the pandemic, which has been kept us all safe and our company thriving.
It's a joyous day again of the year. We are celebrating UAE Flag Day. Flag is very, very important for every nation because it represents its freedom. And UAE flag also represents the unity of United Arab Emirates and tolerance. Happy Flag Day, United Arab Emirates.
في يوم العلم نتمنى لإماراتنا الحبيبة دوام العز والأمان والازدهار ونرفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Wishing the people of the UAE more success and prosperity. Happy UAE Flag Day.
I join all my colleagues in Masaood to wish the UAE a happy Flag Day. In 2000, we arrived in UAE for a mission of 2 years. Now, 20 years down the line, we experienced a fascinating life in the UAE. But the most impressive was to see the UAE bouncing back after every crisis. And this is what's going to happen now after the pandemic. Happy Flag Day, UAE. We are all here to support. Good luck.
Happy UAE Flag Day. المسعود our division.
بمناسبة يوم العلم الإماراتي بهني دولة الإمارات قادة وشعبا وبتمنى لهالبلد العظيم المزيد من التقدم والازدهار.
Today we celebrate UAE Flag Day, the symbol of strength, love, peace and solidarity, represented in its 4 colors. I've been in UAE for 11 years and I'm very proud to be a part of it and share its values. Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Good afternoon. I just wanted to wish everybody a happy UAE Flag Day on this auspicious day, and I wish you all, your family and your friends, prosperity for the new year going forwards.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy Flag Day, UAE.
On behalf of Al-Masood Renault, I wish all the brothers and sisters of UAE a happy Flag Day.
Hello everybody. I've been lucky enough to live in the UAE for 12 years now, and I'm very proud to call the UAE home. Happy Flag Day.
Hello everyone. I would like to extend my warmest greetings to all the residents of UAE who call UAE their second home. It's my 7th year here and I'm very proud to be living here and I feel very safe. Happy Flag Day.
في هذه المناسبة العزيزة على قلوبنا هو يوم العلم الإماراتي، نهنئ سيدي صاحب السمو الشيخ خليفة بن زايد آل نهيان رئيس دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة وحكام الإمارات وولي عهده الأمين سيدي سمو الشيخ محمد بن زايد آل نهيان ولي عهد أبو ظبي نائب القائد العام للقوات المسلحة. ونهنئ جميع الشعب الإمارات والمقيمين على هذه الدولة الحبيبة. ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Hello everybody. May I wish you all a very happy Flag Day. I've been here now in the UAE for 7 years and I've never felt so safe, especially in these uncertain times. So I'd like to wish you all a happy Flag Day once again, with peace, love and tranquility.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy Flag Day, everybody. Thank you very much to the leaders of this beautiful country for keeping us safe pre-COVID, current COVID and post-COVID. Happy Flag Day, UAE.
عاشت الإمارات حرة مستقلة. الله يطول بأعمار الشيوخ الطيبين. الله ينعم علينا السلام والأمان. ارفعوا عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy Flag Day from Infinity Abu Dhabi.
يوم عالم إماراتي سعيد.
Happy UAE Flag Day from Auto Central.
Happy Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day from Al-Masood Renault.
On the occasion of National Flag Day, I just want to congratulate everyone.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
يوم परिचय मुबारक.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day. Happy UAE Flag Day.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day from Masaood TBA.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Hello, Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.
Happy UAE Flag Day. Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
يرفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا. مسعود الطاقة.
Happy UAE Flag Day.
Happy UAE Flag Day. رفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا. المسعود قسم الطاقة. ارفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا. المسعود للطاقة.
Happy UAE Flag Day from the Emirates.
Wishing a very happy UAE Flag Day to Al Masaood, your families and friends. Take care, God bless, and stay safe.
Hi everybody! Happy UAE Flag Day from Amazon Property Division.
Happy UAE Flag Day. I wish all the best to you and your families.
Happy UAE Flags Day. أحب أن أهني دولتي دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة حكومة وشعبا بيوم العلم، فيما يعبر هذا اليوم عن انتماءاتنا الخالدة لدولة الإمارات. ومثل ما قال المغفور له بإذن الله الشيخ زايد رحمة الله عليه، لقد أسهم الآباء في بناء هذا الوطن، وواجبنا كأبناء أن نبني للأجيال القادمة ونواصل مسيرة الأسلاف.
نهنئ دولة الإمارات حكاما وشعبا، سائلين المولى أن يديم الأمن والأمان والرخاء على هذا البلد المعطاء. كل عام وأنتم بخير بيوم العلم، فلنرفعه عاليا ليبقى شامخا.